Hello and welcome to this concise tutorial on the Aster Stream Tech API Developer Portal. This session is for development engineers integrating our AI-powered energy management system, EMS, and ESG APIs. We'll cover API access, core AI, energy data, ESG, and webhook APIs, focusing on seamless integration for Singapore, Taiwan, India, and Southeast Asia. Welcome to the Aster Stream Tech API Developer Portal. Our enterprise API platform adheres to ISO 50001 and ISO 14064 standards. We offer AI-powered energy management APIs for monitoring, ESG carbon reporting, AIoT device management, and AI-driven optimization. These REST APIs are tailored for businesses across Singapore, Taiwan, India, and Southeast Asia. To begin, access the Aster Stream Tech API Developer Portal. Navigate to our platform, enter your business email and password, then click Sign In. If you don't have an account, click Apply for API Access at the bottom. Our team will review your application and provision your account. After signing in, you'll reach your API dashboard to manage keys and explore documentation. From your dashboard, go to the API Keys section. Here, you'll see active keys and your plan's quota. Click plus Create API Key to generate a live production key. Remember, all Aster Stream Tech keys are live. There are no separate test environments. Important security warning. Always store your API key in environment variables. Never hard-code it. If compromised, revoke it immediately from this page. For authentication, every API request, except the public health check, must include your API key in the XAPI key HTTP header. The format is XAPI key, your XAPI key. This is a standard API key method without OAuth or bearer tokens. Our multi-tenant isolation means your API key is bound to your company, so you never need to pass a tenant ID parameter. The server identifies your organization automatically. Aster Stream Tech operates a single production environment. All API requests go to https://asterstreambuild.com. Key details: base URL https://asterstreambuild.com, API version /v2, auth header XAPI key, create by key, live keys processing, real customer data, 30-second request timeout, and required HTTPS. We highly recommend using our interactive Swagger UI at https://asterstreambuild.com/swagger to test endpoints without coding. Understanding error codes is crucial. All error responses return JSON with a code and message. Common codes include 200 for success, 400 for malformed requests, 401 for missing or invalid API keys, 402 for subscription requirements, 403 for forbidden access, 429 for rate limit exceeded, 500 for internal errors, and 503 for temporary service unavailability. For 503 errors, always implement retry logic with exponential backoff. Rate limits are enforced per API key based on your subscription plan. For example, the basic plan allows 60 requests, bare-minimum, 10K storage standard, and enterprise plans offer higher limits. Every API response includes X rate limit, X rate limit remaining, and X rate limit reset headers. Monitor these to implement graceful backoff and avoid 429 errors. Plans can be adjusted without code changes. Our quick start guides you to your first API call in under 2 minutes. First, create a live API key from your dashboard. Second, run a health check. Curl https://asterstreambuild.com/API/public/health. You should receive a healthy JSON response. Third, make your first authenticated request using the XAPI key header. You're then ready to use our full range of AI energy and ESG APIs. The AI energy APIs provide core intelligence. The AI energy optimization API, POA API, iEnergy/optimization, uses XGBoost and Profit ML models to recommend set points and schedules based on your operational data, like occupancy and kilowatt-hour readings. The AI Equipment Failure Prediction API, POA, PI, aEnergy/failure prediction, uses isolation forest anomaly detection to predict equipment failure and remaining useful life, enabling proactive maintenance integration with your CMMS. Our AI energy APIs also include forecasting and anomaly detection with NVIDIA NIM Time Series AI. The AI Energy Forecast API, POS API, NVIDIA, energy/predict, forecasts future energy consumption, ideal for demand response, and ISO 50001 tracking. The AI Anomaly Detection API, POS API NVIDIA Anomaly Detect, identifies abnormal patterns like spikes or waste. You can also retrieve pending AI-generated energy-saving recommendations via GetTE API, iEnergy/recommendations, limit equals 20. The energy data APIs are vital for IoT integration. The Ingest Energy Readings API, POAPI API Energy Ingest, is the primary endpoint for pushing IoT readings kilowire, kW voltage current from gateways, supporting batches of up to 500 readings. The Energy Consumption Summary API, Get API API Energy/Summary, retrieves aggregated metrics like total kilowire, peak kilowire, and CO2 emissions over a specified time range. The IoT Device Status API, Get API Device/status, provides real-time status for all your IoT devices. Our platform extends to ESG carbon reporting and IoT gateway management. The Generate ESG Carbon Report API, Post API ESG/Generate, calculates CO2 equivalent emissions from electricity, gas, and water data, supporting ISO 14064, GRI, and TCFD standards. This is crucial for Singaporean SGX requirements and regional ESG mandates. The IoT Gateway Heartbeat API, POHTOAPI, POHE confirms connectivity and retrieves commands for edge gateways, enabling remote configuration. Webhooks enable Aster Stream Tech to push real-time event notifications to your system via HTTP post with JSON bodies. Supported events include energy, reading, created energy, anomaly, detected, device, alarm, triggered device, offline, device online, AI.report, generated AI to control, action approved, subscription, created, and subscription canceled. Always verify webhook signatures using our dedicated endpoint for security. You now have a comprehensive understanding of the Aster Stream Tech AI, EMS, and ESG APIs. Key areas covered: authentication, environment, AI APIs, energy data, ESG reports, and webhooks. Your next steps: visit https://asterstreambuild.com/swagger, create your API key, run a health check, start with energy ingest, and enable webhooks. Thank you for watching. For support, visit our developer portal.